In this video, I will show you how to know if a message was seen on Instagram. So the first thing we're going to do is to tap on this airplane icon right here. And then as you can see, it redirects us to message. Now, let's say this person right here. As you can see, my message to them was sent. And when you look above my message, you can see the seen 20 hours ago. So that means they have seen my message on this period of time. So if I message them right now and they haven't seen my message, let's go back. As you can see, it will only be labeled as sent just now or sent. That is a good indication that they probably haven't seen my message yet. Now, if the person have seen your message for more than the 24-hour limit, it will only be labeled as seen and would not indicate a specific time frame. So that's how you know if a message was seen on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.